This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called TransformFusion. TransformFusion is a new adware belonging to the adload family. And this adware, by the way, attacks Mac computers only these days. TransformFusion adware, once installed, may display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements while you browse the internet. TransformFusion adware brings nothing decent into the work of your Mac. Instead, this TransformFusion adware, once installed, may just distract you greatly. So if it was found on your Mac computer somewhere or another, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of this TransformFusion as soon as you can. Check your Finder, check your applications, and then once you detect this TransformFusion, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the device with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.